Are you looking for the best outdoor TVs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor TVs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sylvox Pool Pro 2.0 Full Sun Outdoor TV. The Sylvox Pool Pro 2.0 offers an amalgam of a no-nonsense design, a tough build, and excellent picture quality with top-notch, 2000 nit peak brightness. Its HDR-enabled 4K display generates a vibrant image with rich colors, stellar contrast, and wide viewing angles, even under direct sunlight. If the picture has one flaw, it's that it lacks a 120 Hz refresh rate, which would improve the image quality of fast-moving sports and gaming, and is becoming more and more common in conventional TVs. Its speakers are fairly impressive, too, with multi-dimensional Dolby Atmos support right out of the box. That said, I generally recommend investing in a soundbar, especially for large outdoor spaces. The metal housing of the Pool Pro 2.0 is sleek and solid. Its controls are conveniently placed on its right side on a dedicated panel, which makes operating the TV without a remote easy. The bundled remote control has an intuitive layout with shortcuts for popular streaming apps, as well as a waterproof build. By outdoor TV standards, the Pool Pro 2.0 is one of the most versatile options around, with sizes ranging from a compact 43 inches to a massive 75 inches, and is fairly affordable for a full sun model. If you're looking to pull out all the stops, Sylvox makes a pricier QLED Pool Pro 2.0, which features a brighter QLED screen and Dolby Vision support. At about $1,000 extra, depending on the size, it's a tough sell, but also a substantial upgrade. Number 2. SunBrite Veranda 3 Series Full Shade Outdoor TV. The Veranda 3 Series by SunBrite is ideal for shaded outdoor spaces, such as decks, patios, or porches. Its QLED panel features full-array local dimming, which generates a top-notch picture with wide viewing angles. Its 1000 nit peak brightness, while not exactly best in class, is fine so long as you position it in the shade, where you won't get glare from direct sunlight. In a properly shaded outdoor setting, watching the Veranda 3 Series feels like watching a top-tier TV indoors. Its vibrant colors and dark blacks create a deep, immersive picture, especially with Dolby Vision HDR content. Its high refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures smooth visuals during live sports and intense gaming sessions. Another feature that impressed me about the Veranda 3 Series is its generously sized media bay for using another streaming player. Linking an Apple TV 4K to the TV allowed me to effortlessly stream content from an iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. If you are an Android user, you are good to go out of the box, as the device runs Google TV. Number 3. Sylvox 2025 Gaming Series Partial Sun Outdoor TV. Gaming is rarely a top consideration in outdoor TVs, but if you're planning to bring your consoles outside, then the Sylvox Gaming Series feels like a no-brainer. It delivers a top-tier gaming experience with smooth graphics and detail-rich visuals, provided you minimize its exposure to direct sunlight, especially at high noon. The gaming series has many of the special, gaming-forward features that we look for in any gaming TV, including a higher-than-average 120 Hz refresh rate, HDMI 2.1 connectivity, support for variable refresh rate, and an automatic low-latency mode. Games and TV both looked excellent. They sounded great, too, thanks to Dolby Atmos-enabled 10-watt speakers, which pumped out a respectable sonic experience in a partially enclosed outdoor space. Above all, I was impressed with the price. At less than $2,000 for a 55-inch TV, you're getting a top-notch outdoor TV at a very reasonable price. Number 4. Samsung The Terrace Full Sun Outdoor TV. If you have no budgetary restrictions and want the absolute best picture possible, Samsung's The Terrace Outdoor TV offers uncompromising visuals with advanced features you can't get from dedicated outdoor TV brands like Sylvox. Its mini-LED Neo-LED TV panel features an anti-reflective coating that guarantees a stunning viewing experience with deep contrast and vivid colors, even under the midday sun. Thanks to sophisticated AI upscaling features, The screen will adapt its settings to ensure that your movie or show always looks its best, from news and movies, to gaming and live sports. Samsung's intuitive Tizen OS also brings helpful features uncommon to outdoor TVs, including voice commands and an Xbox Cloud gaming app. It lacks Dolby Vision HDR, which we'd expect in a TV with this robust feature set. The remote is sleek and comes equipped with solar charging, so you'll never have to worry about swapping batteries. The Terrace comes in only large screen sizes, 65 or 75 inches, with the latter pushing the price up to nearly 5 figures. Samsung also makes a lower-priced 55-inch partial sun TV, which it also calls the Terrace. It is a strong performer, but they are not the same TV. The smaller model does not offer the same features or visual fidelity as its larger cousins. Number 5. Sylvox Cinema Pro Mini LED Outdoor TV. The Sylvox Cinema Pro series pushes the brightest screen in its class, giving it the clearest picture in overly sunny situations. This quantum dot enhanced mini LED panel puts out exceptional luminosity, up to 3,500 nits. Even when it doesn't have to combat the sun, that extra brightness improves its picture quality, maximizing the HDR capacity of its Dolby Vision enhanced full array local dimming, so you get boosted colors and deeper contrast. The all-around picture quality of the Sylvox Cinema Pro is a strong best-in-class contender and worth its hefty price tag, which is lower than that of the Terrace. I'd still drop the extra cash for the Samsung, because of its more refined design and superior 4K upscaling tech, but this is a great compromise if you want to splurge, but can't spend $7,500 to $10,000 on a TV.